Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike, 65-year-old, formerly from the UK, now living in Spain, in Benidorm. And this channel is going to be all about what we do on a day-to-day basis, or what I do on a day-to-day basis. Some of the projects we get up to, and yeah, we'll do the ones that work and the ones that fail as well. There's going to be some cooking on the channel and just general day-to-day stuff. Some trips out, going for a pint occasionally. I'm sure that'll happen. So if you're interested in that type of thing, please subscribe to the channel. Let's go on an adventure together.